How's everybody doing? Here's your do-it-yourself list. You're going to need wire from Home Depot. You're going to need the Romex connectors to enter the wire into boxes. You're going to need staples to staple that wire. Now you're going to need a circuit breaker. So there's different types of circuit breakers depending on your panel. If you're going to put in a NEMA receptacle, 50 amp receptacle, you're going to need this GFCI breaker. You can see this is the cheapest one, $125. Make sure you look into that. You're going to need a neutral kit to attach your neutral to the ground bar. You're going to need a 4 11/16 J box with a cover. There's the blank cover. You're going to need a grounding pigtail for that box. You're going to need a wire nut for that grounding pigtail. You're going to need a little piece of conduit. You're going to need conduit straps. You're going to need a little kit to terminate and attach your wall connector, all your straps. You're going to need a couple of these EMT connectors. Here's your 1450 plug. You're going to need a cover for that plug. I recommend that you use this cover, a raised cover. It gives a little more space to the box. I also recommend this. This is what I use. This is a complete assembly. If you get that assembly, you need that piece, and then you need an adapter, which is right here for that hub. You're going to need electrical tape, tools. You're going to need a step ladder. You're going to need a snake, a non-contact voltage tester, a tape measure, a razor knife, safety glasses, a level, a nut driver, hammer, a drill, a hole saw with an extension handle, and most importantly, right here, guys, you need a torque wrench. So the grand total, if you do it yourself with a hardwired wall connector, your total is $438 plus tools and labor. Now, if you decide to go to Costco and buy the juice box that has the NEMA 1450 plug attached to it, this is your price. You're going to be spending $567.80 on materials only, minus tools, minus labor, and minus the cost of the charger. Keep in mind that this is a 50-foot maximum run. That means you need to allow for at least 10 feet going into your panel and another 10 feet going into your charger. So that means your panel has to be within 30 feet away from your charger location for these prices. If your panel is further away, you need to add approximately $15 per foot for the wire. So again, a lot of customers will call us and say, hey, I'm 50 feet away, and I get there and their box is like 50 feet away, but we're using 75 feet of wire. So, and the last thing is, that price does not include that nice fancy outside NEMA rated enclosure for the 1450p. So you got to add another $100 if you want to use that part.